Good evening and welcome to Mr. Wilson Live. It's that show where we cover both biology and human and social biology on the internet. We're definitely on YouTube at CSEC Biology TCP, and you can find us at tcp-academy.teachable.com. This evening is supposed to be our second lesson in the journey to success. We would have done a bit on characteristic of living things, and today we're going to be looking at cells. We're going to be using half an hour to cover the lesson today. We're not going to be covering everything. If you want to have the entire script, the entire lesson, the video, the PowerPoint presentation, so on and so forth, you can find them on the paid version of our channel, which is tcp-academy.com. The number is pretty small, but usually it grows. For those persons who are on the internet who are not on as yet, I do encourage you to join us so that we can have a grand time. I like to say to my students that it is always better to start preparing for the exam months before the students that it is always better to start preparing for the exam months before the exam rather than just to wait on the past papers to go to the exam, SWAT pass, and then go to the university, and then you have challenges. So we really don't want that, all right? So I'm putting there the name of the website. And could you just be cool for me? All right, so there we have it, TCP Academy, and it is, of course, on the internet. There are different products there, and probably I just need to introduce you to them just before I get into the lesson. There is a self-paced product that you pay 100 US for the entire year, and you have access to the entire syllabus. There is, of course, one-on-one, where you have individual tutoring. That's for 25 US per hour. And of course, you have a package there that is 50 US per month. That is the online class. There are other packages there that you could look at, other products there that might interest you, past papers such as like lab, so on. And of course, we are going to be having very shortly the alternative to practical. So I want to just say hi to a number of persons I'm seeing here. Some persons are here for the first time. If you are here for the first time, please be reminded to like, share, and of course, subscribe. And when you subscribe, you want to hit that notification bell and select all so you'll be notified as soon as there is a new publication. I'm observing on my screen, it is saying that the connection is unstable, and it is saying that I should wait a bit on the biology, from the biology syllabus, but we're going to be looking really at HSB tonight, covering some things from biology, so it's good that everyone is here. All right, the objectives of today's lesson, students should be able to define a cell. They should also be able to name the organelles of the cell as is outlined by the syllabus. They must be able to state the function of the organelles, draw and label generalized plant and animal cell, and be able to distinguish between plant and animal cells. Now, if you have been looking at the exam, more so the multiple choice paper, you would have realized that